Okay guys, I'm back and welcome back to the channel. My name is Joel and I like to build F-35 models, especially the F-35B. Now in this particular video we're going to build the F-35A version, really detailed and printed to start with, and as goal a 1:6 size. So this is a brand new project. This is the F-35A version, which is printed. Thanks to printing, we can do fast, rapid prototyping, build airplane really fast and a bit smaller than the big composite one, and then we can check out the CG and all details and if everything works as it should be. So in this particular video, we're going to finish this F-35A model. We're going to install some servos, the EDF, and we're going to add some landing gear, and at the end of the video, hopefully we do our Maiden. Okay guys, the idea is to install the JP70mm, which is a really powerful engine. Obviously we're going to use CHAServo, and in this case we're going to use the DS606 and the DS09 for the tail. That would be nice. And I want to say a big thank you to PCBWay, which is the sponsor of this video. But later more about PCBWay. So in this video we're going to use the bamboo labs. Obviously they are quite fast with printing. They can do lightweight foaming filament quite well from color fab. So yeah, it's going to be epic, hopefully. I do think so. And also guys, in December we're going to, by the way, to rebuild this F-35B composite. The front motor has been broken. That's the reason why you've seen not so much videos lately. But we're going to pick up the F-35B. So this is what we're going to do in this video. As you guys know, I've been working for the Dutch Air Force to build two big F-35A versions together with Ingmar. Last Saturday we delivered. It was a 2-year project which was quite impactful for our YouTube channel. I'm glad that they are happy, I'm happy, and we're going to make more videos on YouTube from now on, and I'm going to try every week. So I would like to say take a coffee and enjoy this video.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay provides custom PCB services, but they also offer 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet fabrication and many more. We use CNC and also 3D printing to make our projects. Mostly I use PCBWay to CNC cut aluminium parts for the F-35 landing gear. At PCBWay you can easily upload your file, select the material that you want and get a quote in less than 24 hours. Check them out at pcbway.com, and let's go back to our video.
So for the tail servo we're going to use the DS09, which is a quite small servo, but super powerful. This one can deliver at 6 volts a torque of 7 kilos stalling torque. This is really amazing, and the cool stuff is they are all programmable. The cool stuff what I like about CHAServo, we can program them, each and one of them, which is really cool. And what I really like is a soft start. So let's program a soft start. So what I basically do is I connect this to the programmer. The board already says connected, read config, succeeded, and then we're going to initialize soft start, write config, and it's already done. Easy as that. So what I'm now going to do next, disconnect the servo. I just place it like 180 degrees, and let's see what it is going to do. Look, it's running smoothly to its 0 position, and now you can control it. Really awesome. Okay, both servos are installed, so let's continue with the wings. So now you see the cool feature. I misaligned the elevators, but when I plug in the plug, let's see what happened. Wow, they go slowly to 0, and then I should control them. Nice. Well, we do have some experience with flying with the F-35. So I know there's a lot of force on the elevator. So what I've done is I printed with the Bambulab this carbon fiber PLA film, and I will glue it inside of this area so I can actually bolt it into the fuselage. Okay guys, we got a challenge. So tail is functional, elevator is functional, and we got also my flaps, they are functional. But I want to use this assist, and apparently when I turn on assist, so my ailerons outpin to my elevators are at the correct outputs, they are all grouped. But somehow when I move this, only one aileron is responding. Please let me know in the comments what the solution should be. And when I do elevator, you see aileron 2 is responding, which is not okay. How should I solve this? But for now, without gyro, it should fly awesomely. Okay, let's study this video then. Okay everybody, all controls are installed. So we got our elevator control, roll control, and we got our flap control. I'm still struggling with the assist, but this will be later on. So meanwhile, watching some videos, I installed the motor. And I also make a real green or yellow colored exhaust. So now it looks almost finished. Where's the cockpit? Oh, here we go. By the way, this is also a really nice build. This is a B-Hawk. You can download this on RC JetPrint. It runs on a 40mm EDF and it flies really damn fast. So let's compete soon. Actually, this one is quite used. So overall weight without the LiPo is 1.7 kilos. And actually we should have also gear. But I don't know where the switch is. Oh, here. Here we go. Nice, 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 nice. So let's continue with landing gear and figuring out how the gyro works from the Yeti. Okay guys, I think I found the trick what to do. So if you go to basic properties, you see my settings. So basically I got a VTOL setup, but the Yeti doesn't recognize how to tune it for gyro. So what I found out on the internet, so when you go to, so you get your function assignment, which is all normal. You get your servo assignment, aileron 1, aileron 2, elevator 1, elevator 2. So you go to Device Explorer. You have to turn on your model, of course. So let me do that.
Initialized. Armed.
So we'll go to our menu from the receiver. Go into Quick Wizard. Airplane Assist, yes. And don't forget to turn on your assist, or else it won't recognize. So turn on your assist, 100% output. Go to next. Go to next. Next. And here you go. Calibrate roll. Move ailerons to the right. Down. Pitch. Jaw. Got our flight mode channel. Yes, and this should do it. Haha, yes, it works. Perfect, 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 perfect. Our F-35 needs some landing gears, but as this is a really simple draft model, we're going to use the simple Avanti landing gear. And I need also some big wheels. For this model I don't have the doors. Let's see how far are we coming with this kind of landing gears. Okay guys, I added the gears of the Avanti. This one is from the Avanti Mini and this is from the Freewing Avanti. Yeah, this is a draft model. I just want to boost the project to see how it flies. And then we're going to go for version 2, which is already 30% more lightweight. But yeah, I just cannot wait to fly this model. Let me know in the comments what you think. Easy and cheap.
Okay guys, we're heading to Helmond where we're going to fly the maiden flight of the F-35A version, printed. So this is not an RC jet print model, could be maybe one day in the future, but for now it's for us a prototype to see how it behaves, how it flies and if the 3D design works out. We let it fully scale, so we got quite thin wings. But when we scale it up to a 1:6 and a 1:8 version, yeah, it's going to tell us a lot about this airplane. So it's driven by CHAServo, JP Hobby, printed with color fab filaments, printed with the bamboo lap. So there's a really nice cooperation there. So thank you guys for helping me with this project. So let's go to Helmond.
Hij loopt. Recht rijden. Ja. Oh. Gewoon gas erop.
Cool.
Was dat te weinig vermogen? Of?
Nee, ik was de wieltjes aan het zoeken, maar hij doet het. Kijk mooi. Ik ga hem eerst rustig voorbij kijken of hij recht gaat. Rustig aan, rustig aan. Trim. Ja. Vet.
Ik zie hem niet. Oh ja, ik heb hem op mijn beeld staan. Wauw.
En gas erop. Vol gas. Is dit vol gas? Ja.
Fijn. Mooi.
Komt hij aan?
Gaan wel landen eigenlijk. Oké.
3 minuten. Leuk ding. Ik ga wel Oké, druppers hè? Yes!
Nou is de waterpunt is eigenlijk iets te...
Hij loopt.
Mooi. Wat was dat?
Oh, tapeje.
Oh, dat is niet zo erg.
Nou, rustig, half gas.
Ja, mooi laag. Mooi laag vliegen. Laat de grond maar zien. Ja, mooi.
Okay guys, I'm really happy. I'm editing the video for today's video. It was amazing. We made over 4 flights. It flies super stable, and at the end I totally forgot to turn on the gyro. So we also made a flight with gyro, but for this model with the washout thin wings, it flies epic. So this is a good start to make a really big 1-6 size, 1-8 size, and maybe also 1-10 size. And perhaps we're going to launch it on RC JetPrint. We will see, but for now this project is for Jet Worldmaster. So my dream is to go to Jet Worldmaster next year to build the most epic F-35A, and I will show you everything what we are going to do in this progress. So like I said, we got a lot of projects still to do. We got the Sea Harrier, which is in the background. We got the Boeing in the background for RC JetPrint. We got also the Mini Hawk. Guys, my friend Andreas built a small Mini Hawk version, so you should check it out on RC JetPrint, which flies on a 14mm EDF and flies ridiculously fast. So please check them out. Also the CHAServos are inside, so hopefully you will have some nice winter projects. For now, we're going to build version number 2. I know it flies already epic, and I know, but this is a first draft version, so I want also to add landing gear doors. The CG was way more in the back than I expected, so the battery was badly located, so I needed to cut out all those walls to fit the battery to make the correct CG, but I'm quite happy how it flies now. And also for the first time in my life I'm flying with ailerons, which is quite new for me. So I'm using the ailerons as flaps and the ailerons for aileron and pitch. Epic. And also this new version, which I'm now printing, by the way, this is going to be 30% more lightweight. So our flying weight today in this video was 2.7 kilos. And my estimated weight for next week's video is to be around like 2.4 kilos, let's say. But for now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And by the way, for the guys who are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a nice comment in that comment section. And don't forget also to smash that like button. Guys, see you in the next one. Peace.